This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete games off your Xbox One, and this is easy to do. You can do this in a couple different ways. So the first way I'm going to show you is just on the home screen here. If you go to the home screen, we might find games under here. We can press the options button on it, and there should be an option now to go to manage game and add-ons. So if we find it under here, we can go to uninstall. So just press this button with the 3 lines on it, and then we can go to uninstall all for this, and then we can reinstall it at another point in time. So you can just do it under here. You can delete it. So I think the easier way to do it is by just going to settings. You can delete multiple games at the same time. So let's go to settings, scroll on down to system, storage devices, free up some space. Now just find the games you want to delete. So I got a few games under here: YouTube, Netflix, we got all this stuff. I got Apex Legends here, I don't need that anymore. PUBG, that does not run very good on this. WRC, I don't think I need that anymore. So I'm just going to delete these few games, and we can go to remove selected, uninstall, and now they're gone from my Xbox One. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.